Hello friends, time and work, an unavoidable concept in all numerical ability portions. This is a concept which is often confused by many of the students, and a lot of subscribers they demand problems of time and work. So here is an important problem related to this vital concept, and this problem occurs very frequently in competitions. And this topic, the students get this topic at class 8 level. So the problem goes like this. Now there are three persons A, B, and C, and the time taken to complete a given task by A and B is 12 days. If B pairs up with C, then they together can finish the task in 15 days. And when C and A pair together, then they complete the task in 20 days. So these three pairs are given, and we need to find out how many days are taken by them individually. So a very important problem, and if you know the shortcut, you can solve it in very less time. So let's see. First of all, we need to find out the number of days taken by all of them together. Now, how do we do that? A, B, and C. All of them, if you want to find from this given data, the three pairs, you want to find out what is the time taken by the three of them together, then do like this. So, this is half of 1 by 12, reciprocal of the number of days taken by the first pair, reciprocal of the second pair, and reciprocal of the third. Now this is what you need to solve in the first step. How do you solve this? This is quite easy. See, for 15 and 20, 20 is not divisible by 15. So take the multiples. 40. 40 is also not divisible by 15. Take the further multiple 60. And do you observe? 60 is divisible by 15. So 15 and 20, they have the LCM 60. And our problem is more simplified now. Why? Because 12 also divides 60. So the LCM of these three numbers, 12, 15 and 20 is 60. So if you take 60 in the denominator, this is 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60, and 20 3s are 60. So this is half of 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12 upon 60. So 12 cancels exactly 5 times, thereby giving you the answer 1 upon 10. Now this is the first step. After getting to this step, the second step is to find number of days taken by A. Now for finding the number of days taken by A, you need to subtract this, the total days taken by A, B and C. So this is how much work is done by A, B and C in one day. Number of days taken by A is calculated by taking 1 by 10 and then subtracting. Now see, we need to calculate A. So take the pair which does not contain A. Here it is B and C. They do it in 15 days. So subtract 1 by 15 from this. 10 and 15, the LCM is 30. So we have 3 minus 2, 1 by 30. So now we have obtained number of days taken by A is 1 by 30. It is not 1 by 30 actually. So you need to take the reciprocal. So number of days taken by A will be reciprocal of this. That is 30 days. So this is the first answer. Now for number of days taken by B. Again take the sum of the three. This is 1 by 10. And subtract the pair which does not contain B. Which does not contain B? C and A. This does not contain B. So this is 20 days. So subtract 1 by 20. And obviously LCM of 10 and 20 is 20. So we have 2 minus 1. That is 1 by 20. So what is reciprocal of 1 by 20? It is 20. So we have 20 days as the answer of the number of days taken by B. Similarly, you can find the number of days taken by C. 1 by 10 is obviously there. Now take the pair A and B because it does not contain C. This is 1 by 12. So for 12 and 10, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. 60 is the first multiple which is divisible by 10. So 60. This is 6 minus 5. That is 1 by 60. So take the reciprocal. The answer for the third part is 60 days. So the three answers 30 days, 20 days and 60 days. This A plus B plus C means that this is 1 day work when they work together. All three of them work together. This is all 1 day work. So if you take the reciprocal, this will give you the number of days. Very easy concept. I have written all the steps. That is why I have consumed so much time in explaining it to you. But if you try 4-5 questions of this kind without writing all the steps, then in competitions, this question will not consume much time. I'll illustrate it using one more example. Say in this case, we have three people P, Q and R. When P and Q work together, they complete the task in 10 days. When Q and R work together, they complete the task in 12 days. And when R and P work together, they complete the task in 15 days. So again, we need to find out the individual number of days taken by them. So we need to find out the number of days taken by P alone, then Q alone, and then R alone. So let's follow the same procedure which we have done here. First of all, we will calculate 1 day work of P plus Q plus R. So how do we do that? Take the reciprocals of these three and multiply it by half. So 1 by 10, 1 by 12, 1 by 15. So this is half of. Now take the LCM. Again, finding the LCM can be very easy. See, 12 5s are 60. So for 12 and 15, 12 is not 15 is not divisible by 12. 30 is not divisible by 12. 45 and then 60. 60 is divisible by 12 and divisible by 10 also. So we have the LCM 60 again. So this is 10 6 are 60. 12 5s are 60. 15 4s are 60. So this is half of 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 by 60 is 1 by 4. So this gives you 1 by 8. Just like we had 1 by 10 here. Now we have 1 by 8. So this is the first step. Now let's find out the number of days taken by them individually. So here we have number of days taken by P. What is the total? That is 1 by 8 minus the pair which does not contain P, Q and R. This is the pair which does not contain P. So this is 12. So we have to subtract 1 by 12 from this. This gives you 12 is not divisible by 8, but 24 is divisible by 8. So 24 is the LCM. This gives you 3 minus 2 and the answer will be 1 by 24 and take the reciprocal. You get the answer as 24 days for P. Likewise, you can solve the number of days taken by Q and R. Let's find the number of days taken by Q. What is the total? 1 by 8. And now take the pair which does not contain Q, R and P. This is 15. So we have to subtract 1 by 15 from this. Now how about the LCM here? 15 is not divisible by 8. 30 no. 45 again no. 60 again no. So go on and on like this. 75, 90, 105, 120. Yes, 120 is divisible by 8. So we have the second part. The LCM comes out to be 120. And when we have found out this, then The numerator can be very simple. So 120 divided by 8 is 15 minus 120 divided by 15 is 8. So we get the second part answer as 7 by 120. And if you observe 7 by 120 do not cancel out. So you can leave the answer in fractions. This will be 120 upon 7 days. Then the number of days taken by R. Similar to this, 1 by 8 minus, take the pair which does not contain R. This is P and Q, 10 days. So 1 by 10. Now how about the LCM? 10 is not divisible by 8, 20, no, 30, no, 40, yes. So 40. So we have 5 minus 4. This is 1 by 40. Take the reciprocal. The answer comes out to be 140 days for R. So the three answers, 24 days taken by P, 120 by 7 days taken by Q, and 140 days taken by R. So friends, these are the questions you need to master in, this is 40 days, beg your pardon, this is 1 by 40, so take the reciprocal as 40 days. All these questions are very important for class 8 students, and these concepts are very frequently asked in competitions. So friends, I hope you have understood this type of problem, and practice of 1 hour is required to master them. Finding LCM is the base of this, and if you are able to find the LCM without use of pen and paper, then this will save a lot of time, because in every step you have this concept of LCM. So for finding the LCM mentally, you can watch trick number 50. This is a trick in which you are taught how to find the LCM of 2, 3, 4 numbers orally. So friends, I hope you like this video, and if you do, post the link on your WhatsApp groups and contacts, and do not forget to subscribe the channel.